Hey gang, thought I'd show a pretty easy fix. Jumped in my car this morning, my truck this morning, and went to turn the corner and hit the blinker, and I saw this going crazy. If you notice, the right hand turn is pretty steady, but the right one is just flickering back and forth. Most people know that this is a burned out bulb. Some people, like my sisters and my wife, don't understand what that means, and that's okay. Typically, your higher end vehicles, or at least the ones with computer assisted, diagnosis, will have an indicator section somewhere down here, over here, that, like my wife's car will say passenger brake bulb burned out or malfunction, and that way you know. But in cars like this, and I believe your Fords and Chevys do it too, they'll blink rapidly when there's a short, usually indicating a burned bulb 90% of the time. Sometimes it could be a wiring short, but I would say 90% of the time it's just a bulb. But I took a look, and I was able to tell that it was my rear, of course, driver's side turn signal. So I'm going to show you how to replace that on 2001 Dodge Dakota. Let me go ahead and get the tailgate dropped, and I'll see you in a bit. Alright, what we're going to need to fix this is a T25 Torx bit, replacement bulbs, which are from AutoZone, the Sylvania 3157, and then some dielectric grease. So what you do, once you drop your tailgate, you'll see right here 1, 2 Torx bolts, and we'll go ahead and take those out. Okay, and once you've got those removed, right about, I think it's about here on the tail light, there's going to be a plastic pin that just pops into a rubber grommet. But in order to disengage that, you just pull back, and there you go. There's the grommet, or sorry, there's the grommet right there. And there's the plastic pin. You just bring this out. And just twist left to unscrew it. It's going to take 2 hands. And once you get it unscrewed, just pull straight out. Yeah, you can see that one's kind of burned out. Alright, then to take it out, just pull straight out, and it pops out. Take a look at your connections down there, make sure there's no corrosion or anything. It's dusty. You get your new bulb before you put it in, or at least like what I like to do is take some dielectric grease, put just a little bit down in there. And it's more than a little bit, but there we go. That'll help any water or moisture to stop from shorting it out. Take your new bulb, here's the new one. Set it back in there. and line up the, you'll notice that this has slots in it that line up with the slots on your tail light. Set that in there. There you go. Just twist. It's locked in place. Okay. Now it's just the reverse of removal. Set it up in there. Make sure you get your little rubber peg there lined up with the grommet. All you have to do is just push it back in and it seats. Then we put our screws back in. You don't have to kill these screws, just get them snug. Okay. There we go. All back together. Now let's go check it out. There we go. All fixed, all better. Well, that was a pretty quick and easy fix. What I typically like to do is replace the bulbs in pairs. I'll go ahead and do the passenger tail light, which is the same procedure. You got two screws and one rubber pad or one plastic peg. You just pull it out, replace the bulb, and that way I know that it's two new bulbs. So theoretically they should go out at the same time, but you know, it gives me a good sense of you know, I guess proper repair, that they should go out at the same time. But hope this helps somebody out there, and especially if they see that fast clicking blinker and think, what the hell. But replace it, because at least where I live it is a ticketable offense, and the officers here in my city love to write tickets. So there you go. It's also a good idea to, you know, when you change your oil or something like that, just to go around, make sure all your lights are working, reverse, brake, turn, high beams, low beams, even your fog lights, just so you can avoid a ticket, and of course be safe, because if somebody doesn't know you're turning or can't see your brake lights, they're going to hit you. Anyways, leave comments or questions. Thanks for watching.